the first day back reporting in. Gotta make that money though, dude. I'm broke. We don't get paid in the summer months. Taking the jalopy today just to be the annoying guy. So usually our first day back, we have like a mini welcome back and we go over meetings and like stuff and agendas for the school year. And let's go take a look at their rides. Watch at your own risk, man. This is awful. IA, it's actually a Mazda. Oh, the Tundra's pretty cool. The green. Oh God, Santa Fe plug-in. Just like everything's so bland, dude. It looks like I'm in a CarMax parking lot. Oh dang, Tesla Model Y, $1. Must be an admin. This is what they drive. And you know what? They get rid of these cars every 3 to 5 years. They never keep them, dude. Oh dang, Range Rover, 4Runner. See, we do have some taste for the zombie apocalypse. These are the cars that are left over. Not even the zombies want them.